Student of class 10, now I am going to explain you quadratic equation exercise 4.2. The first question has given find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. Factorization you know already, by middle term splitting you can do this factorization. X square minus 3x minus 10, factors of 10, it is 5 2s are 10. So 5 minus 2 is 3. It is x square minus 5x minus plus 2x minus 10. So it is x is common factor out of these two, and here 2 is a common factor. So it is x minus 5 as a common and x plus 2 another factor. Now these two factors, it is equal to 0. So equal to 0, therefore x minus 5 equal to 0, x is equal to 5. And another one, it is x is equal minus 2. So 5 and minus 2 are the two roots of this equation. Next is 2x square plus 6 minus x. Multiply 2 into 6, 12. 12, 3 4s are 12. 3 minus 4. So in this way you factorize x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 3 upon 2. So two factors are minus 2 and 3 upon 2. Next, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. If you multiply root 2 into 5 root 2, it should be root 2 into root 2, 2, 5s are 10. 10 is 5 2s are 10. 5 plus 2 is 7. In this way you have to do it. Now, same I have done. It is 5 plus 2. So 5x plus 2x. Now common out of these 2 and these 2. It is from here x is common root 2x plus 5, and here if you only 2 means root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2 you take common, another root 2 is root 2 into x plus only 5 will be there because root 2 has taken as a common. Now these two are the factors. Now from the first factor you will get x is equal minus 5 upon root 2 and another x is equal minus root 2. These two are the roots of the equation. Next, 8 should be LCM. Then it is 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now cross multiply. 8 should be 8 into 0, 0. Now again it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. By identity you can do it. A minus b whole square equal to 0. So it is x is equal 1 upon 4. Same factor. So another also 1 upon 4. Next, same it is also a square minus 2ab plus b square. In this way it is same factors you will get. So x is equal 1 upon 10. Another one also 1 upon 10. Next is question number 2, solve the problems given in example 1. Actually, in example 1, you can see in book, the question is, John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. And the product of the marbles, product with the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. Now solution, let John have x marble and Jivanti have 45 minus x marble. As it is quadratic equation of one variable, not two variables, so only one x is the variable. So another one is 45 minus x. Now after losing 5 marbles each, John have x minus 5 and Jivanti have 45 minus x and minus 5. So it is 40 minus x. Now product of these two is equal to this. So you can solve it, and x is 36 and x is 9. That means they had to start with 36 and 9 marbles. Next, a cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced in a day. Now, let the number of toys produced on a day is x. and cost of production is given 55 minus the number of product. So 55 minus x. Then total cost, the number of toys and cost, multiply it. That has given 750. So it is multiply 55x minus x square is equal to this. Then you can multiply by minus sign. X square minus 55x, it will come, it's a minus 70, it will be plus 70 is equal plus 750 is equal to 0. Now factorize x is equal to 25 and x equal to 30. You can see the factorization in this way. Then these prime factors you can make a two groups, 25 and 30 it is. So it is 30 minus 25, it's coming minus 35 and minus 30 minus 25, it is coming 55. So it is the x is equal to 25 and x equal to 30. Next, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Let one of the number is x and another one be 27 minus x. So therefore their product this is equal 182. Simple calculation, and x is equal to 14 and x is equal to 13. So required number are 13 and 14. Next question is, find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. Two positive integer, consecutive positive integer, x and x plus 1. Sum of their square, x square plus x plus 1 whole square. It is this one, you break it, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this calculate, it is x plus 14 and x minus 13 is equal to 0. If x plus 13 is equal to 0, then x equal minus 14 and here x is equal to 13. But in question has given they are positive integer. So we have to consider the positive one, 13. And next number is 13 plus 1 is 14. So two consecutive numbers are 13 and 14. The altitude of the right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If now in this sentence you have to take the last word as a x, base be x, and the altitude be 7 less than its base. So it is x minus 7 cm. Now hypotenuse has given 13 cm. Hypotenuse 13 cm. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square altitude square plus base square is equal hypotenuse square. In this way we have to put the values of this, and it is 169. So if you solve it, it is coming x is equal to 12 and x equal minus 5. But altitude or base, it cannot be negative. So you have to consider positive value. So base is x, so base is 12 cm and altitude should be 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 cm. Next question, cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles. Where the condition has given, I underline there to understand it. Now, if the total cost of the production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Now solution, let the number of articles produced in a day be x and the cost of production of each article has given twice the number of article and 3 more than that. So twice the number of article plus 3. Now total cost, it is multiplied by these two. So number of article and cost of production for each article. So it is 2x plus 3 into x is equal to 90. Total cost is 90 is equal to 90. Now the equation is coming, and it is two factors by factorization. It is 2x plus 13 2x plus 15 and it is x minus 6. So x is equal minus 15 upon 2 and x is equal to c. Again same, we have to take the positive value, not the negative one, for the number of article. So number of article is 6 and cost of each article is 2x minus 3. So it is 2x, 2 into x minus 3, 6 it is. So it is 9. It is the last question. Now assignment of 20 marks I have given. Same type of question I have given here with answer. You must solve it. Thank you very much.